Who is Suburban? I have no freaking clue. I literally just went on YouTube and typed in
scary music videos,
and this popped up. I figured something scary for Halloween. It is October, and this song is called Uh-Oh, featuring Benny. I don't know. I don't know what kind of music this is. I don't know what it is. I don't even know if it's even scary. But we're checking it out. Super excited always for something that I never heard of. I love expanding my music knowledge. So let's jump right in. Here we go with Uh-Oh. See what I did there? Yeah, I did. I did it. I'm already creeped out a little bit.
Uh-oh. You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true. Looks like you're on fire, I'm fanning the flames. Like a vampire stood out in broad day. Should have thought words were up, thinking out what you were gonna say. Fool me once, that's one too many. Better luck next time you've met me. Where's the dunce who caught you meddling? Turn around. Uh-oh. You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true. You're sweating this time, I'm reading your eyes. You're being called out cause you slipped your mouth. Your face is turned pale, gone faint, you're not well.
I like it.
While you were distracted, I kissed the spell. Uh-oh, you better run away now. Uh-oh, you've made a mistake now. Uh-oh, got nothing else to say to you.
It doesn't even walk, he just floats.
You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true.
Jeez. Yeah, just floats around. Oh, there it goes. He's walking. Why would you walk?
Focus is what intermission. Tragically, I'm not the victim here. If only I fell for your fiction. Tell me things that can't be true.
Oh, is he like Jehovah's Witness or something? Is that what it's supposed to be? Is that... Wow, what a video. That was insane. I am totally satisfied with this, what I have found. It was good. Halloween wise, yeah, it was creepy. It was but it turns out he's just like some kind of Jehovah's Witness come to someone's door and then it won't answer, so he just pops up. Scary stuff, man. Jehovah's Witnesses, they're very scary. I could just not know what I'm talking about, but awesome. If you got any more creepy, scary kind of videos, music or not, put them in the comment section, or any more Suburban. I really enjoyed Uh-Oh. I would love to check some more of Suburban out, so let's check it out.